everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So your girl Sean, I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about a new lifestyle that I have adopted. I have decided to go keto and adopt a ketogenic lifestyle. Now, if you're unfamiliar with keto, keto is basically a low carb, high healthy fat diet. A healthy fat like avocados, avocado oil, olive oil, certain kinds of foods, and not necessarily all of the things that are in your pantry, things that come from a box, things that are really high in carbs. And so I've adopted this lifestyle. I started last week, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys a little bit about what my first week of keto was like, and also going to be showing you guys a keto grocery haul. I asked you on Instagram, would you like to see it? And 90% of you said yes. So I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I bought for this week's keto eating, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So one of the reasons why I wanted to do this is because, and it's like one specific instance, like I did a fitness try-on haul a couple of months ago, and so while I was getting the footage together, I was able to really see while the camera was rolling certain angles of my body that I was just not really pleased with. It was like an out-of-body experience, being able to see, you know, that I had really put on some weight, and I was guess I was in denial about it, but seeing it on camera, I don't care if they say the camera adds 10 pounds. Girl, it felt like the camera added 20. And I was like, I gotta do something. And I wanted to do keto. And so that's what I have been doing, at least for the past week. And I honestly can feel like I see a difference already. So here's what my body is looking like now. And honestly, I feel so much more confident being in this video. I'm not like covering my stomach. I'm not worrying about love handles. I feel like if you squint really hard, you can even see some abs coming in. And so you know what? I have been loving my week 1 of keto. I can't wait to do this whole reveal again. I'm not somebody who's into stepping on the scale, so I can't tell you if I lost any weight, but I do feel like I lost some water weight. I was wearing some workout pants that I had on in that try-on video on Saturday when I went shopping, and I had to keep pulling them up the whole time. I also went down a dress size, which is crazy. I know that it's water weight. I don't care that it's water weight. Results are the best motivation, and seeing that I'm already feeling a little bit better, my face had gotten fuller. I feel like my face is slimming down. The water weight, and I know that it's water weight because I have never went to the bathroom as much as I have gone since going keto. I am somebody who definitely suffers from bloating, so it felt good to kind of get rid of the water weight. The problems that I had on keto last week was mainly I didn't really know what to eat. I knew, yeah, you want to, do a lot of like proteins, and you can do some cheeses, and you can do certain meals, and the meal plans that I saw on YouTube, it was a lot of the same thing. Omelets for breakfast, chicken and a little bit of broccoli for dinner and all that. And I get bored really easily, so I definitely have been looking for ways to sort of switch things up, which is why I'm going to be trying out some different recipes this week, and hopefully the next video that you see from me will be a what I ate in a day video, showing you guys a couple of different keto options. I knew that I was going to go keto, but I didn't plan for it nearly as well last week as I have this week. This week I'm like, okay, if they're eating dessert, I can eat this. If I want a fruit, I can do this. If I want a coffee, I can do this. If I want something to drink, I can try this. I gave myself a lot more options this week, so I feel a lot better prepared. But I definitely feel like my energy level has been up, and I feel a lot better in my clothes. And I know that you cannot out-exercise a bad diet, so I wanted to start with the diet and then add the exercise to add to it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my diet, and then hopefully the next time you guys see me in a keto video, it will be showing you guys the what I eat in a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and all of that. So just keep watching. All right, so here are some of the green vegetables that I got for this week. I have some cucumber, some romaine lettuce, some cabbage, some broccoli. For the first time ever, I'm going to be trying Brussels sprouts, and I also have some fresh green beans over there as well. What's not photoed here is some spinach. I like to put spinach in my omelets and things like that, and I also am going to be putting some mushrooms in my omelets as well. I love mushrooms in omelets, and I also love these with like turkey burgers. All right, so I've already put a lot of my chicken products in the freezer, but I do have chicken breasts and chicken thighs for this week. But I also have have some ground turkey. We don't eat pork, so you're gonna see a lot of turkey products, but I have some ground turkey right here that I'm gonna be using to make a chili. I'm gonna eat mine without beans, and it's gonna have like cheese and sour cream on it. I also have some turkey pepperoni. This is a great like just little savory snack, but you can also wrap this in one of those string cheese mozzarella sticks and dip it in some marinara sauce, and it's gonna taste like pizza, and that's actually a nice keto option. I also have some turkey smoked sausage I'm going to be using for breakfast. Of course, some turkey bacon. I have these turkey drumsticks. I love these so much. I don't eat a whole turkey leg in one sitting. Like, this is huge, but I do love these. It takes me typically 2 days to eat something this big. And then I also have a couple of steaks right there that I'm going to probably put with broccoli or some green beans. But this is my sort of meat section, minus, like I said, all of the chicken products that are already in the freezer. All right, so this is my cheese and sort of dairy section. I have some heavy whipping cream. I've been trying to drink coffee, and this is what they suggest putting in your coffee, but if I don't like that, I can also add a little bit of coconut milk to my coffee. I have this to I want to do a strawberry acai refresher the keto way, and I need coconut milk for that. I love these string cheese mozzarella sticks. These are less than 1 gram of carb each, and this, I believe, the cheddar cheese sticks are 1 carb a piece, no, 1 gram of carbs a piece. I have some cream cheese. I'm going to be using this in a keto-friendly pancake recipe that I'm going to be trying, and I also have some unsalted butter. I know you're supposed to be using the Kerrygold butter, but I didn't see that on this particular shopping trip, but hopefully I will get that one soon. That's the grass-fed butter. That's really good for you. Now, these 2 items I didn't get on this particular shopping haul, but I wanted to throw them in. Mild cheddar. I always put this in like my omelets and things like that. I'm going to be using this week with my turkey chili. I also have some extra large eggs. I'm definitely going to be needing this for omelets. All right, so this is sort of like flours and oils, things like that. So I have some blanched almond flour. This is supposed to be all natural, gluten-free. I got this on Amazon. I ordered on Amazon Prime, and I also got this organic high-fiber coconut flour. Like I said, I'm going to be experimenting with some pancakes. The pancake recipe I'm going to be using requires almond flour, and then I also have some of this MCT oil that you're supposed to be able to add to your coffee. Or your tea, or pretty much anything. It's supposed to be great brain fuel, great for your immune system. It boosts ketosis, which is exactly what I'm looking for. It's odorless and unflavored. You can add this to so many different things. 100% pure coconut one. I got this on Amazon as well. Also on Amazon, I got this right here, which is the organic stevia. I want to add this to some tea. I'm going to show you guys the beverages that I got in just a minute. And also, this isn't new, but I wanted to show you guys. This is what I cook pretty much everything in these days, and this is the coconut oil, 100% organic, simple nature. I get this from like Aldi, I think. So this drink right here has 0 carbs. This is a strawberry flavored bubbly, strawberry flavored like sparkling water. I got this from Walmart. I think this is an 8-pack that I got for like $3. Can't wait to try this. I'm gonna drink it cold, so I gotta put this in the fridge in just a minute. But I can't wait to try that as a water alternative. You can always add water enhancers as well. But I also got my favorite tea of all time, the Wild Berry Zinger. I love this tea. I'm gonna be adding the natural sweetener, the stevia that I got. I'm gonna be adding that to this so I can drink that. And then I've also got this right here, which is the Gingerade kombucha. I've had kombucha several times before. I actually have a couple of bottles right now, but I've never tried this flavor. Heard nothing but great things about it. So those are some of the beverages that I'm gonna be drinking. And I also have, of course, a case of bottled water as well. This isn't new, but I wanted to show you guys. I've switched to Himalayan sea salt. I grind this on everything. I'm really loving the flavor that this adds. It's a really great alternative to just using regular table salt. All right, so these are some of my dessert options. I love the Carb Smart little chocolate covered ice cream things. Are so good. These aren't the best when it comes to carbs. They're 13 grams per every bar. This is not something that I eat every day though. So up next I have this right here, which is strawberry jello. This is 0 carbs, 0 sugar, no artificial preservatives. It's only 10 calories. It's sugar free, no carbs. You can eat this guilt free. I haven't had jello since I was a kid. This really hit the spot last night. I already ate one of them, so I definitely like this. So last dessert option I have is this right here, which is from a company called Arctic Zero. It's the cookie dough chip protein and fiber bar, I guess, inside. It's lactose free and it's also GMO free. I got it in the cookie dough chip flavor. Now this is supposed to have 4 servings in this small container. So what I wanted to do was go ahead and pre-package everything and make it easier. So I have these ball mason jars. They're 4 ounces a piece, which is a half a cup. I'm gonna go ahead and portion everything out. These are freezer safe containers, so once I put them in there, all I have to do is grab them and eat them whenever I'm craving ice cream, but at least I know that it's a low carb alternative. I'm not about cutting things that I love like ice cream out of my diet, but portion control. So this isn't a food item, but it is a keto related item. These are ketone test strips. This lets you know if your body is in ketosis. I ordered this off of Amazon. It comes with 100 test strips. It got a lot of really great reviews. You're actually using this. It's gonna be like a urine analysis type thing. This is how you're gonna tell if your body is in ketosis. It's gonna show you one of these colors to let you know if you're in low ketosis or high ketosis, which is letting you know that your body is in a high fat burning mode. So I got this for like, I wanna say $8, maybe $9 off of Amazon. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. If you want more videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comment section what else you guys would like to see. I want to get into doing some more keto cooking recipes, showing you guys some different keto options for foods and things like that I'm going to be eating. I'm not somebody who's interested in feeling deprived, and I don't consider this a diet. I've never been on a diet and I never want to be on a diet. Whatever I do, I want it to be a lifestyle. A diet to me is like, oh, I gotta lose 10 pounds to fit into my wedding dress, or I have a high school reunion that I'm trying to do. It just seems like the results are really temporary, and if there's temporary results, you're gonna go back on it. You're gonna gain all of the weight back. I want something that I actually can do for life that's better for me. I'm getting older and I feel like it's irresponsible for me to just think I can eat whatever I want forever and it not eventually take a toll on my body. I'm on no medications, no high blood pressure, no high cholesterol, nothing like that. I have no health problems and I want to keep it that way. And I know that my diet has a lot to do with that. I actually watched the video on Netflix called The Magic Pill. Oh my gosh, such a good eye-opening movie or documentary, I should say, about what eating and your diet can really do for your daily life. And so that really helped me to make my decision to go keto. And of course, a lot of the people that I saw on YouTube, some of my favorite people that I follow, like Crispy and Makeup Shayla and Desi Perkins and people like that, I've been seeing their results. I don't care if you tell me that it's amazing. When I saw what they were looking like and the snatchtivity of them in their swimsuits, I was like, okay, yes, I'll do it. I'll do it, because I can see the actual tangible results. And so I want those results for myself. Feeling comfortable in a sports bra and leaving my midsection out, feeling comfortable in a 2-piece bikini. I want that comfort level, and I actually have to work at it. You know, when you're younger and your metabolism is faster, you can eat however you want. I see some of these young people who are in their early 20s, girl, eating rice and just all these crazy pastas and breads and all these rich sauces, and they don't gain an ounce. When you get older and your metabolism starts to slow down, you just can't eat like that. You just can't eat like that and expect your body to just continue to just, you know, treat you like it did when you were in your 20s. I'm not in my 20s anymore, so I have to be a lot more conscious. I actually have to put some effort in to looking good, and I'm willing to do it because my health matters to me. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.